So this is about Career X framework. How do you consider yourself with Career X framework? Do you think always very seriously about your career things? It is not always that. Actually, make it part of fun. Actually, 100% fun. That is Career X. After some time, you will find that, and you have failed 80% of time, still people will think that you have been always working as part of the plan. Why? Because you have acted fast, learned fast, failed all the time, and you learn from the failures, and that is the trick. Now I am taking a stroll after lunch stroll, and it is basically for no burning calories, you can see, and so my step count also will go up. But again, it will also, I'm also utilizing this time to record this video so that it goes up and you feel great about having a day, having fun, and learning a bit of myself. And who am I? I'm Sangeeta. I'm a breakthrough coach. So in my profile, it is written, it is like career counseling. It is not. I'm about breakthroughs. Breakthroughs means speaking to a friend who holds space for you while you are struggling with something. No, life is full of problems, challenges, and if somebody is there to share, then your breakthrough will come very soon, very fast. And my mentor says that while listening, you allow your friend to have a discovery. That is the greatest thing, and one will reach their potential by this. So I listen all the while. Actually, while doing this workshop, I'll actually ask you the questions that will help you more about discovering yourself. So that is all about my workshop. These workshops happen during Sundays at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. No issue. So what were my failures and which has contributed to Career X? Because suddenly I find everybody to be supporting me, supporting whatever I do. Innovation looks very weird at first, but after some time it actually starts giving results because of your brain thinking from a sixth dimension, I should say. So that is one. So I have a YouTube channel. It's not doing bad at all, but per video view is just 3 to 4 views max. It will go to 30, 40 if it is very interesting. And my videos will always be this raw, so that you know that this is a person who is acting out of authenticity. No makeup, no banavati. It is all very real. So if I can make a YouTube channel work, so can you, and everybody can do that. Do that consistently. The second thing that I have done is did some side work, side hustles, right? So people knew me, and a lot of praise, all those kind of thing, and that's it. Money is not all the time the criteria for doing something. You just need some dopamine boost, maybe. So that was it. Offered consultancy, and after learning, the clients ghosted me. That's perfectly All right, many people, out of the 1,000 people that you reach, almost 900 people will take free advice from you and will disappear. That is all right. But the advice that you have given them, that actually has helped them in some way or other. So you have gained experience from that kind of people. It is not a waste of your effort. Did never think anything to be waste, because it will contribute in your growth. Tried a leadership role. Many times I take my team to a pizza party. Leadership is what? All about boosting morale, right? Don't you think so? So that is my take. You are completely free to take your decision. That's it. Then we always need new energy for whatever we are doing. So a side hustle, maybe wrote a blog post. Every day I write something. And by the way, I am very grateful that my blogs are read by people who are as high as ambassadors of Malta or something. So that is a great thing. Unless I write, I won't have people like that. They don't know me, but then they recognize the things that I write, and that's it. Innovations are weird, as I said. Cross-functional team, people were just thinking what I am doing in that team with no experience, previous experience or so. At times I take feedbacks very seriously. Growth hurts at times, undoubtedly. But it is growth anyway at the end. So whenever there is a failure, put that at that point and move on. That would be my advice, because the invaluable experience that it brings, it cannot be bought with money. Fail fast, learn first, and move on. That is the key. And I hope if you are interested in attending any of my Sunday workshops, do please attend it, and we will have fun, asking, creating, doing things together, and maybe a learning also.